Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from ShouldIGetIt.com, and this is the GTA Car Kit's wireless CarPlay kit for the Mercedes S-Class. I have a 2014 that I just bought literally less than 2 weeks ago, and I knew that I needed this because I have CarPlay in my other cars, and this one's a wireless setup, which I'm really excited for. So inside the box, we have the wiring diagram. I'm actually just going to be following the YouTube video that they put up as instructions on the GTA Car Kits channel because I saw it linked. I've watched it a few times now, so I feel pretty good. And I just want to show you what's in the box. So first we have the actual module here. So this is going to be tucked away near the DVD and CD changer, basically below the ashtray. So this is going to be hidden, but you can see we have a couple ports here. So power, the CAN bus port, and then LVDS, not sure what that is. Then we have Wi-Fi and USB. So all these cables need to be plugged in, and this basically gets tucked inside, hidden in the center console, so you will never actually see this. Then we have the various cables. I'm not a installation expert, but I'm going to be doing this install at home, so we'll see how that goes. Here we have one of the wires. So I just want to show you guys what comes with it so you know kind of how much or how little of an undertaking this may be to you. Then we have a USB aux adapter right here. We have another cable. And then it says here antennas can't be attached to metal. So I'm assuming this is some sort of antenna system. So that is the main compartment. Then we have more wires here. So this looks like the main harness that goes in the back of the disc changer. So you can see that the wiring, I believe you don't have to actually wire anything. It's just all plug and play. It's quite a few different wires that you have to plug in, but they're all labeled here. Hopefully you can see that, like GND, aux, aux right in, etc. And basically it is like a piggyback system. So it is intercepting the current feed, giving it a new feed, so you still keep all your Mercedes features. If you have split view, supposedly you can still use split view, you can still use the disc changer, you can still use regular Bluetooth, you can do whatever you want. And then we have the USB aux cable here, and then we have a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. So I believe these run to the glove box, or not the glove box, sorry, the center compartment under the armrest so that you can have all of your audio going from CarPlay to the actual Burmester audio system. So that's it. I'm not even going to put it back in the box. I'm super excited to install it. That's going to be in a different video. I'm not going to do a whole tutorial, but if you want to see what the install process is like, I recommend checking out the video on the website, which I'll link down below. If you have any questions about how it works, how the install went, stuff like that, let me know. Probably by the time I post this, I am at least installing, if not, have already installed this in my car. Hope this helped you, and again, link is down below. There's the wiring diagram if you want to pause and take a look at that, but it seems fairly straightforward. I hope this will take 2 hours or less in my garage. Peace.